Let's make it a quickie. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. We made these in a previous video. Now, let's make a sweet little mini book bag to hold them. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. I am so glad that all of you are here. Thanks so much for supporting me and my channel. Thank you so much for just being here today and giving me some of your time. So I hope those of you who participated in some 4th of July celebrations yesterday had a safe and wonderful day. And for those of you who weren't celebrating the 4th of July, I hope that you had a great day as well. Y'all, I'm not going to take up much time because I know we are closing out a holiday week here in the U.S. and a lot of people might be traveling or might be spending the day doing some cleanup. So I'm going to show you what we can do for this little 24-page book that we made. But first, I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit the like button right now before you forget. It really helps me out. So this is the little booklet that we made using one sheet of 12 by 12. And we talked about possibly making these to keep, gift, or sell. Or if you're doing a craft fair and you want a cute little freebie to give to someone who makes a purchase, this is a great way of doing it. But y'all, here's another fun way to present that. We're going to make the sweetest little custom book bag for our notebook. Super, super easy to do. I am going to put this back in. It's designed to hold our little book, and if you missed the video on how to make the book, I will have that linked at the end of this video. It will be the next one up, so please click that video and give it a look. But I thought, what a cute way of packaging this. Go ahead and put this in. Add a little clip to the top. It looks almost like a clipboard, but it's not. Now, I've spent more time talking than it's actually going to take me to make this because we're going to take a piece of 7 by 7, and I am using a text weight paper. For those of you who are interested, for me, text weight is any paper that will run through my printer very easily without needing any adjustments for the thicknesses. This is just like regular old copier paper. So now that we have our 7 by 7 inch piece, we're going to score on one 7-inch side at 1/2 inch and at 3 3/4. So we score at 1/2 inch and 3 3/4. Then we're going to turn it once and we're going to score at 2 and at 6 1/2. And then we're simply going to fold and burnish all of our scores. Now, if you like this sweet little project, go ahead and add it to a playlist, a Posh Paper Lady playlist, so that when you are looking for something that I have made on the channel, you'll already have it saved. I get a lot of questions asking me to help direct someone to an old video. And y'all, unfortunately, that's very hard for me to do because I have 1,700 videos and it is difficult at times to even know what someone's talking about, let alone go back and find it. So make sure that if you're watching videos that you like, go ahead and save them to a playlist, whether it's from my channel or someone else's. So we're going to go ahead and remove these corner pieces here. And I can do that by just cutting in at a slight angle to remove these pieces. Then where we have these fold marks here, we're going to angle cut on this end to free this. And then we'll rotate it and angle cut here to free this. So we're angle cutting on both sides of the score mark. I'm going to do a little bit more angle cutting there. So now I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to angle cut in a little bit more. I will take my tape, put some tape, and I'm going to fold this in. Now you can remove this piece if you want, and you can even add an acetate window if you want. I'm not doing that, but you certainly can. All right, so now that we have our piece like this, I am going to take this piece, just add some tape, fold it up. Then I'll do the same thing over here. And the reason why I put that notch there is because it's easier to fold up when you have a notch right there. So now we can take this piece and join them together. And I am going to use some tape just to make sure that I have control over where I'm placing the tape. So I am going to place some tape along the bottom here. And then I'm going to place some tape along the edge right here. And then I'll take just a little piece of tape and put it right there. So now we can peel away all of our tape backers. I'll go ahead and put that there. We'll peel this piece away and this backer. And now we can take this and just bring it over and put it down like that. Now I use tape. You can use glue if you want. Now I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to round the flap. Now my flap is going to be on the back, but that's okay. So you can see that my little booklet is going to fit in here beautifully. Let's go ahead and open this, put it in, and now I can close it like that. And now I have two pouches. If I want, I can stack these like this to give a set of two, or put my clips on both and present them like this. This just gives you an option for how you can present your little books. This also, truly, if you're giving these as a gift or as a freebie, it's a cute way of packaging them. Giving them away like this is more than acceptable. But we really kick it up a notch when we add little mini book bags. Quick, easy, and simple. That's what this was all about. Some of you have said you don't have a lot of time and you like to do some quick crafting. This is how quick crafting can be done. First we make this, then we make this, and you have something that is ready to present. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick, easy, and simple way that we can make mini book bags for our 24-page books that we made. If you have enjoyed this video, and y'all know I hope you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.